Introducing the MediaTek Dimensity 920. Inside you'll find flagship class CPUs for even faster performance, along with the MediaTek Hyper Engine 3.0 networking engine that keeps you connected wherever you game. Intelligent displays provide all the benefits of an ultra-fast refresh rate, while also maximizing power efficiency. Always have the best cameras in hand, ready to snap with incredible detail. Or easily capture vivid 4K HDR video using its dedicated hardware, and benefit from advanced processing technologies that ensure great pictures even at night. This ultra-efficient 6nm chip is especially light on power, stretching smartphone battery life even further by keeping the 5G modem in the chip. And we've added essential technologies like dual 5G SIM and the latest voice and video call services. The MediaTek Dimensity 920 5G integrated chip. With MediaTek Dimensity, expect incredible.
Zero Ultra. Explore beyond.